Well, welcome to Crazy Bob's Buck Shoot 'em Garage and Grill. It's where we have band practice. All the debris back there. I'm not in a band, I'm just a DJ, but I used to be in a band. I'm going to try to demonstrate this old Casio Casiotone 301 with wood grain. Kind of in beat condition. I think I gotta. This volume don't work too well. I got a noisy cord or something there. There's a piano sound. Try to get some volume out of it. I got that amp for 15 bucks at a flea market. Harpsichord. Celesta. Accordion. Electric piano. That's not a bad sound. Funny. Frog. Cello. Give a little vibrato. Violin. Trumpet. Sorry about that noise, but the volume is bad on this, and the on-off switch is broke, so I have an alligator clip jumping across there. Lots of fun. Clarinet. Don't know that song. Oboe. Flute. Gonna take a freight train. Here we go, organ. Excuse me. There she is, the old Casiotone CT301. It looks like on the back. Kind of dark in this garage. It's a classic. It's vintage. It's retro. It's the Casio.